one comes. This one. These are the elevators at Whole Foods in Westbury. Did this skip? Oh yeah, it did. Oof. Welcome. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we gotta get on top. I heard the other one go up. Let's see if it's here. You want to close it pretty fast. Oh, wait. The flip. Alright, we'll let that one go. Oh, whoa. Interesting fire service. Alright, it's closed. These could really use some exterior lanterns. Kind of just have to know which one gets here. One's here. Good. Door close appears to work on this one. Oh, the indicator's dead on this one. Very basic elevators. But I guess they kind of have to be. They have to be the stainless steel interior. These are kind of used as, very well used as service elevators. I guess we're supposed to not work. Alright, this is the motor on this. This one, oh, okay. Well, Westinghouse leveling there. This one runs a lot better than the other one. Is it beautiful? Here's your lantern. This is a pretty nice supermarket. Alright. Hopefully there's no one down here so I get a thumbnail picture. And good. Oh. Thanks for that. There it goes, and that's it.